case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In a 1985 case heard by the United States Court of Appeals for the Fifth Circuit, Columbus Schalah Stephens, Jr. found himself facing legal scrutiny on charges of falsifying information on a farmer's home administration, FmHA, loan application, and mail fraud. At the heart of the issue was the inclusion of false data and intentional omission of crucial information on a loan application, acts illegal under the stipulations of 18 U.S.C. Section 1014. The case sprouted from Stephens's engagement with a cattle farm named CMW Land Company, Inc. In 1979, in an attempt to refinance his debts via a government loan, he unknowingly elicited the skepticism of the legal system when he submitted a lopsided application to the FmHA. The court later found his application contained grave factual inaccuracies, including concealed debts totaling $420,000 and a $7,608 judgment. Upon his conviction, Stephens challenged the verdict, putting forth a range of arguments. He contended that the evidence used against him was unsatisfactory and argued against several perceived errors, including exclusion of testimony, inaccuracies in the jury charge, and the supposed erroneous admission of government summary exhibits. Stephens even questioned the legitimacy of the government's proof and argument. However, the court remained unconvinced of the merits of Stephens's appeal and upheld the original judgment. The court found the admission of summary charts warranted, given their role in summarizing expansive records that were unfeasible to examine in court. They also deemed the instructions provided to the jury were accurate, with no deviation from the required statutory provision. Ultimately, the court concluded that the evidence leaned heavily against Stephens. There was a clear demonstration of intent to commit fraud against FmHA through formidable omissions in his loan application. With the evidence and arguments weighed, Stephens's conviction on all counts remained affirmed, driving home the gravity and consequence of fraudulent intentions in financial dealings.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.